Hi, everybody. Happy Valentine's Day. I wanted to share with you guys something that I've had for a minute and I've kept it to the side because I haven't had the time to do the videos, but I haven't tried it. I wanted to share it with you first. So, this is going to be the unboxing of the Jlo Beauty skincare line. It's just a few things from her line, which she doesn't have much stuff, but she has a really good start. This is one of the first things that I've bought, other than Boxy and Ipsy. I'm going to try to step outside of that for a while because I feel like everybody's doing the Ipsy and the Boxy. And so let's, reach out and try some new stuff. And um, I feel like if I review it and I think that it's good, that's what I want to try to do for you guys. Is it worth dropping the money on? Um, This was $49.95. That's not bad for a skincare line. And one thing that I've learned is don't judge just because it's a celebrity. Because I used to kind of have that like, yeah, it's a celebrity, I'm not touching it. But after I seen Kylie's lip kits, I didn't buy one forever because I just didn't want to invest my money with them. But it actually turned out to be a really good lip kit. So, uh, you know, okay. So this came with four things, and I'm all about some serums and some creams. I wish that it had an eye cream, but it doesn't. It's just the little starter kit, so that's cool. Uh, but what it has in it is this is that hit single, and it is a cleanser. Brighten, refine, soothe. So, uh, little cleanser there, just a facial cleanser. And then next is this. You gotta love that packaging. Hopefully you can see it. It is called that Jlo Glow Serum. Tighten, brighten, hydrate. Let's see if okay. So that looks a lot like my Charlotte Tilbury serum, and that's what I'm after. I want to find anybody that can top the Charlotte Tilbury serum. It is expensive, but I feel like you know, if it does the job and it's worth the money. And her serum has completely changed my appearance. I feel like I'm way more glowy and it's helped, tighten and brighten. It does what it's supposed to do. And if it actually really does what it's supposed to do, then it is worth the money. Uh, this looks a lot like that serum, and it has a similar smell. It seems to be Charlotte's is a lot thicker. This is thinner, but I don't know. I can't wait to test it out and see. Next, we have the Blockbuster Wonder Cream. I love this packaging. This packaging is gorgeous. Um, I love rose gold, and I think that's what you would call that, a shiny rose gold. So let's look at the cream. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's a very, very thick cream. Oh, I really want to try the eye cream. I don't know if you can see that there, but it's really thick. And if it's really thick, then it doesn't take a lot. So the one thing I don't know, I know the starter kit is 50, um, but I don't know how much the stuff is singularly. So I'm gonna have to find that out. Okay, last but not least, we have a sheet mask. And this is Tighten, Plump, and Radiate. Usually, the sheet masks are the serums and the creams, and it's just in the mask, and you leave it on for like 10-15 minutes, and then you pat your face and rub it in. um and I'm super excited to try this. I love certain masks. I don't like all of them. There's some that are just a mess, but the ones that are good are great. So she has some other stuff. That's it for that box. Um, she has a supplement. I would like to try the supplements. Not necessarily hers, just any. But she also has a complexion booster, like it's a highlighter, bronzer. Oh, okay, like that. Actually, looks really cool. Really want to try that. And she has a eye cream and SPF. She has a sunscreen. So that seems to be the new big thing is sunscreens. I would kind of like to try some Gwyneth Paltrow Goop stuff, but I never really see it, and it never comes across my as much beauty and skincare stuff as I get into. It never comes across my feeds or anything. So um, I don't know. I would like to try it, but we'll see. Uh, First, we're going to try this, and after about a week, I'm going to start trying it tonight, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. And is it worth? I think that it's very much worth the $50 just to try it and see what it's about. But I'll let you guys know if it's worth it. So, uh, happy Valentine's Day. Like, subscribe, comment. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.